Want to include a sub-recipe in your main dish? Here's how you can do it. Let's use the example of chicken pasta salad as a main dish with a lemon mustard dressing as a sub-recipe. Step 1. Create the recipe for the lemon mustard dressing. Enter its ingredients and quantities. Step 2. Save it as a sub-recipe by clicking on Manage Recipe and selecting Save as Sub-Recipe. Now the lemon mustard dressing is stored in your account and can be used in any of your main recipes. Step 3. Add it to the chicken pasta salad. Search for lemon mustard dressing in the Ingredients Search tab. Select it and then specify its quantity. And there you have it. You've inserted your sub-recipe into a main dish with a few simple steps.